Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to make a bow using faux leather out of these templates. These are from A&L Display and these have 4 bow parts and 4 spike parts. And as always, you can mix them up. Today I'm going to be using the first 2 from the bow part and then the second one from the spike part. So I already have traced that and I've already cut this one out just to save some time. So basically what you do is you grab your faux and you put your template and you trace around each template. I used a black pen just for the purpose of this video so that way you can see the outline. However, I highly recommend that you use a Mark Begone pen that can be purchased from Walmart. So after you have traced them, you just go and cut on the line. Just like that. So I'm going to put that to the side and then cut my last one. Just like that. And after you're done cutting them all, you're going to want to fold them in half to get your indentation, so that way you can tell where your center is at on each one. So fold it in half. Once you get used to making these, you won't need to fold it in half anymore. You won't need to mark it in the middle. But for the purpose of the video, I'm going to mark it so that way it can give you a visual. So fold them in half. And mark them if needed. If you have been making these and don't need it, then you just simply don't need it. So what you want to do now, and I'm going to get my thread and needle ready. I always double strand my thread and double knot it. So now you're going to get your glue gun, add some glue to each side, bring it towards the middle, and hold it down. I'm going to do that for each of the bow parts. And then you're ready to layer each one. You don't have to layer this bow if you want. Like, this is a layered bow. If you want, you can just do that however you want. However, I'm going to do a layered bow, so I'm going to add some glue to the back of this one. I'm going to find the center and press down. Then I'm going to add some glue to this spike part. And hold it down, clean up any glue. While that's cooling down, you can start preparing your clip. I'm going to heat seal it with my wood burner. Add some glue to my clip. I'm gonna hold this part down really tight. This is the part that usually comes up. Press down any glue that comes out, clean it off, cut that, and then heat seal your ribbon. What I want to do now is grab my needle and thread, and I'm just going to put this off to the side. I don't want to burn myself. And I'm going to push it in. It is going to be kind of hard because there is glue, but you want to make sure that you get all the layers. This is just going to help ensure that your bow does not come apart, because I truly believe that the glue sticks, the glue gun, is not a way to secure a hair bow. So what you want to do now is line your clip with glue. Attach it and hold it. And with the remaining of your thread, wrap it 2 to 3 times around your clip. This is going to help secure that clip, and then tie it off. Now you can cut the remaining of that off. And for this center, I am going to use the glitter. So all I'm going to do is cut a strand. Add some glue. Turn it around, and I add mine to the top. Hold it down and then wrap it around your clip. Open up your clip, add some glue to the center, pull it very tight. Next, you want to add some glue right here to your ribbon strand. Get your tweezers and pull that up into your clip. If there's any glue strands or any glue, just clean it up. That will help give it a professional look, a completed look. And these are the A&L templates. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I'll post the link to where you can purchase these templates in the description, as well as the faux leather. If you have any questions, comment below. Thank you for watching.